Hey, what's going on everyone, this is JReviews back with another video, and today we're talking about iOS 18 Beta 4 and more importantly about Apple Intelligence. So if you have watched the conference at WWDC 2024, you know that of course the main focus was on the new Apple Intelligence features, but we don't have such good news. So iOS 18 Beta 4 will come out on Monday, July 22nd. Well, with this new update, we're expecting also some new features, and some of them might be some AI features, like maybe the new Siri AI, not the new Siri features, but just the AI. Then we will have the new ability to generate emojis like we saw at the conference, and maybe also Image Playground. But all these cool new features won't be available for most of iPhone users. Now this is a real bummer. Now I understand that some features won't be able to run on the older devices that do actually support iOS 18. I'm even really surprised that Apple did support those devices with iOS 18, like the iPhone XS and the XS Max and the iPhone XR. Those are like really old. But with the new Apple Intelligence features, don't expect a lot of devices to actually support these new features. Now here we have the list. Going to the Apple website, we have Apple Intelligence compatible devices. And you can see there are only 2 iPhones that do support the new Apple Intelligence features. Unless you have the iPhone 15 Pro or the 15 Pro Max, not even the 15, just the Pros, you won't be able to run the Apple Intelligence features on your device. So you can see right here, Apple Intelligence is free to use and will initially be available in US English, coming in beta this fall. So only if you have the newest device currently, and then of course the iPhone 16 as well, that's the only time you will be able to use the Apple Intelligence features. Now you can see we have a few iPads here as well, the M1 iPad Air, M1 iPad Pro and later, M1 iPad Air and later, and then of course a few MacBooks here. But most people will actually have iPhone devices, but only if you have the latest iPhone, then you will be able to run the new Apple Intelligence features on your device. I think this is really sad. At least the iPhone 14 Pro and maybe the 13 Pro as well should have been supported for the new Apple Intelligence features. But it is what it is. Apple is bringing these features only to the newer iPhones. And I'm really sorry for a lot of people that have like newer iPhones that actually do cost a lot but still won't be able to run these features on their device. So that's basically it. Thank you guys for watching. Leave a like if you enjoyed the video. Of course, subscribe for more iOS 18 news, and I will see you on the next one.